How to fix Rave Netflix. So here is Rave app, and basically you just need to tap plus in the bottom right and select Netflix. So like few days ago, just it was working completely normal. You just use your Netflix account. Obviously, you need to have paid Netflix account to watch it. However, just like few days ago, there started to be some kind of glitch. Now it says sign in error. Like even if you enter correct Netflix credentials, it won't let you to sign in, and you can't watch Netflix on Rave. So this is definitely some kind of a bug. I just don't know, is it a bug on the Rave app, or this is just Netflix blocking access? So if it's a Rave bug, then hopefully it will be resolved in the next few days or maybe weeks. If it's not resolved, usually Rave app overall is quite glitchy. There are some bugs here and there, but on the positive note, they're resolved in few weeks. But if it's Netflix blocking access, then probably just Netflix can really limit access to Rave app, and then probably Netflix will be just removed from Rave. Let's just monitor. I don't know all the details right now. This is just my thoughts. But yeah, it's not working for me right now. It stopped working like a few days ago. So that's what it is.